And race on AJ Special from the outside, Wind Turbulence. Alongside is Classic Quality, rushing out Divine Choice, Lady Pegasus. And on the outside, the Hillsong Star Eliza. Entry number 3, AJ Special, followed by Wind Turbulence. Alongside is Classic Quality, Divine Choice. On the outside is Lady Pegasus. Rounding the fourth turn, AJ Special, Wind Turbulence, Classic Quality, Lady Pegasus racing on the outside as they race the last 500. AJ Special, Wind Turbulence, Classic Quality, Lady Pegasus on the outside, and Divine Choice done on the inside, entering the finish line. Wind Turbulence followed by AJ Special, and on the outside, Lady Pegasus, Divine Choice done on the inside. Wind Turbulence, Divine Choice, Lady Pegasus on the outside, but still Wind Turbulence second. Number 6, Divine Choice, Lady Pegasus, Classic Quality, AJ Special, The Hillsong, and number 1, Star Eliza.